Well, guys, it just arrived finally. Holy cow. I think I've been ordering this since January. And it is, what, April 20-something, 28th? I forget what it is. Maybe 29th. I can't remember. Anyway, it is the Ultra Bee. We're going to find out all about this thing shortly. So, I don't know if any of you guys are old enough to remember when you looked in like a comic book or something like that and you were going to order like a jackknife or a switchblade or something. And you, ordered it all up and you thought, oh, you found a source for switchblades, and you got it and the whole thing was like 2.5 inches long, the entire thing open, and you're like, what is this little tiny thing? And it didn't really switch and stuff. So hopefully this is not the case, because I ordered it and wasn't 100% confident it was legit. I guess I should have been, but I'm paranoid these days. But it took quite a while to get here. There was kind of a lot of weird things about the communication that didn't give me confidence. My only concern is that might be the actual size of the bike, and they kind of did that deal where you think you're getting a full-size bike and it's basically a little tiny toy copy of the full-size bike. No, I'm just kidding. I think we have an Ultra Bee in here, so I'm excited to check it out and let you guys know how it goes. And this will be added to the Electric Motion, if you guys have watched my other videos. So I do have an Electric Motion Escape, and I got the Unicorn, which I called it, did a video on that. That's the beta cross trainer. And now I wanted this, to me, this Ultra Bee, when I first saw it coming out a couple months ago, whatever it was, or maybe this winter, obviously sometime, I was like, wow, if that was like, if I sketched up an electric motorcycle to kind of look and be the size and everything, this fit the bill on paper and in the videos. And obviously you've seen videos on it already, so it's not that new. I mean, I might be one of the first guys around here to have one. I know there's one up in Tampa, maybe. I'm in the Fort Myers area, but the guy was had for sale. But it's just like the perfect size, the perfect weight. Apparently it's 187 pounds, which is why I wanted to go this route. And it has good power, good size. This Electric Motion Escape is 183 pounds. So only 187 is awesome. So it's like 4 pounds more, and maybe it might be a bigger bike. We'll see how it compares to frame and all that stuff. Not that I need a huge bike, but I'm more interested in off-road, like rock crawling, really super technical stuff, Moab-y stuff. Well, Moab doesn't make a ton of sense because you got such big open stretches to cover, but like the Hatfield McCoys is so compact that you can do highly technical stuff in kind of a short run area. So I'm going to bring it there this summer with the Electric Motion and the cross trainer and see how that goes. Well, enough of that. I will start breaking this thing open and keep you guys up to speed on what happens and what it looks like. Talk to you later. Appreciate any likes and subscribes.